Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I have here some Kingston SD cards, also a microSD card as well. These were also seen at the CES 2020. So in front of me I have 128 gigabytes, also a 64 gigabyte one, and the microSD is the 64 gigabyte too. So we're gonna go ahead and test these out. Obviously you're gonna be able to use these in 1080p or a 4K camera for sure. But let's go ahead and test the speeds on these. Alrighty, so the first card we're going to test out is the 128 gigabyte one, and I have here in front of me the CrystalDiskMark 7.0. Also then I'm going to drag a 1 gig file and see how fast that goes as well. But first let's just start here the CrystalDiskMark, and I'm going to just hit all. So let's just wait for the results here and see what happens. So the CrystalDiskMark is complete for the 128 gig card here. So we can see some of the results here. So the 95 read versus the 87 write. So right now I just have a 1 gig file here. I'm just gonna drag it over and see some information here. So roughly it's writing at 60 now, almost 70. So it's going, yep. So it's going up here, 76. So there you have the write speeds for the 128 there. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and test out the 64, see if we see any difference in there. The CrystalDiskMark is all complete now, and we can see some similar results here from the 128 GB one. We have 95 and 74 read. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this 1 gigabyte file and drag it over and see what we see here in speeds. So right now I'm seeing 65 and it's going up almost 70. Let's go ahead and test out the microSD now and see what the speeds are on this one here. And it also comes with a SD adapter as well, so in case you need to use that. So let's test this one out. The 64 microSD card CrystalDiskMark here is all done. So definitely we can see the read speeds is about 95 megabytes, but the write speeds way lower at 21 megabytes. So I don't see using this like for 4K footage or anything like that. But if you're just gonna stick this on your phone to put to back up images, things like that, for sure it's going to work out. And let's just go ahead and drag this over this 1 gig file here and see how fast that goes. Definitely it's way lower than the other cards that you saw there. So we're getting around that 20 megabytes a second here. So it's probably going to go up to 21, but no more than that when you're writing things. So the 3 results are in, and definitely we can see the 128 gigabyte one is the fastest here. Ready for 4K for sure, that works out good. Then the 64 also is good at that speed, similar to the 128. But the one that kind of is the lowest was the microSD here, which is not really for 4K recording. I wouldn't stick this on your camera to record, but definitely good for any image backup or anything like that that you need to do. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys in determining if you're gonna buy one of these cards. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.